Parliament and Council of Governors to find an amicable solution regarding the stalemate on the division of revenue bill. Maraga said the petition before them is a legislative process and that two houses should carry on their own. This comes even as circus between the National Assembly and the Senate continues, with MPs rubbishing the division of the revenue bill republished by the Senate, terming it political.
The judiciary is somewhat appearing reluctant to solve the current impasse between the National Assembly and the Council of Governors on the Division of Revenue Bill 2019. This being apparent as Chief Justice David Maraga, for the second time in a row, urged the two warring parties to engage in dialogue to solve the current stalemate, as judges don't want to engage in the impending issues.
We have had a meeting this morning as judges of the Supreme Court. And I want to tell you that we feel reluctant to come into this kind of process. Because, I mean, this is a legislative process that the two houses should carry out on their own and finalize. I'm not saying we can't come in. If we have to come in. But I'm telling you that the judges are saying, look, why is Parliament dragging us into a matter that is actually theirs?
The circus between the two houses is, however, far from over, this being evident in today's sitting before the Senate and the National Assembly. The Senate today passed the Division of Revenue Bill 2019 Dollar Bill, seeking an allocation of 335 billion shillings to counties, and forwarded it to the National Assembly. The National Assembly, however, rubbished the purported publication of the Division of Revenue Bill 2019 by the Senate. MPs bashed the senators by calling them ignorant of the Constitution in the fact that bills surrounding issues of revenue emanate from the National Assembly. Whereas the Senate proposed 335 billion shillings to be allocated to the counties, the National Assembly has granted 316.6 billion, subject to approval by the House. Chief Justice David Maraga directed both parties to appear for hearing on Wednesday next week if they fail to settle the matter through legislative process. Irene Mwangi, KUTV.